All right, today we're gonna be installing the new Oracle flush LED taillights for the Lexus GX460. These look like nothing you've ever seen before because this is Oracle's proprietary, patented, lensless design. Not only does it look cool, but these black housings can be painted to match your factory color. And it has some features you're not gonna find on any other product on the market, including integrated LED, high-powered reverse lights, so you can see as you're backing up at night. This is the only taillight on the market with an integrated reverse light. It's bright and it has an amber indicator built into it. So not only do you get the sequential red turn signal, you also get an amber turn signal built into the taillight as well. This design is also very innovative because it not only fits the Lexus GX460, it fits the Toyota Prado as well. All you do is remove this small piece of trim down here and it bolts right up to the Prado. So the installation is really simple. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first step is we're gonna remove the factory taillight. We're gonna do so by removing the two 10mm bolts right here and right here. All right, now to get the taillight out, we're gonna take it and give it a full pull this way. With the taillight removed, we can now unplug it from the factory connector. All right, so first we're gonna do is mount the resistor here. I'm gonna do so on the metal. These do tend to get hot, so we wanna make sure it's touching metal in that case. And then we will plug this in along with the factory connector. And then the metal tabs here will insert into the plastic openings there. All right, and then for the reverse light, the connectors here will drop down the reverse light. There's a male and a female. These will loop through the factory reverse light connector. Now we can reinstall our hardware. All right, so now to plug in the reverse lights, we will plug in the original factory connector, and then we're gonna loop it. All right, so now we can take off the bolts on the passenger side. And just like the driver's side, we need to give it a firm tug to pop it out. All right, so when we reinstall the light, just like the other side, these metal pins will go into these plastic clips. And then both taillights have a small tab right here. You'll see that there's a slot that the taillight slides into. For this to be mounted correctly, this slot needs to mount onto this tab. So when you slide this into place, just make sure that this is locking into this piece when the taillight goes back on. Again, we'll drop our reverse light wires down to the reverse light. All right, so that's how it's done. As you can see, these taillights look awesome, and they pair very well with Oracle's flush reverse bumper lights. So to find these or other great products for your Lexus, go to oraclelights.com or call us at 1-800-407-5776 to find a dealer near you.